Welcome to this construction update from Island Ford Road in Statesville, where 3 new commercial buildings are being developed between the former NCWorks Office and CVS. There's been plenty of conversation about which businesses will occupy this site. So let's clarify what's confirmed and what's still speculation. At this time, the only confirmed tenant is Dunkin Donuts. This national brand will bring its popular coffee, breakfast sandwiches, and baked goods to the corridor, offering a convenient stop for morning commuters and families alike. As for the other 2 buildings, permits and zoning allow for a mix of retail and service tenants. While no leases have been finalized, there has been speculation that Starbucks and Chipotle Mexican Grill could occupy these spaces. These names have surfaced in community discussions and permit filings, but they remain unconfirmed. Other possibilities include a bank branch, a medical office, or additional retail options. It's also important to clear up some confusion. A Taco Bell is indeed under construction in Statesville, but it is not part of the Island Ford Road and Taylorsville site. Instead, Taco Bell is being built next to Bojangles at a separate location nearby. So to recap, Dunkin Donuts is confirmed, Starbucks and Chipotle are speculative, and Taco Bell belongs to a different site altogether. This project represents an exciting addition to Island Ford Road, blending national convenience with opportunities for local growth. As construction continues, we'll keep you updated on new tenant announcements and opening timelines. And a special thanks to True North Aerial Imaging for capturing these views. For any aerial photography or videography needs, whether it's construction updates, community events, or business projects, True North Aerial is your trusted partner in bringing stories to life from above. Stay tuned for more updates as this development moves forward.